Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia, with a population of 10 million people and GDP estimated at $321.3 billion, is one of the busiest cities in the world. As a metropolitan city, just like any other capital city like Kuala Lumpur, Beijing, or Bangkok, Jakarta has a classic major problem that must be faced, and it is getting worse each day. This problem is traffic. According to data provided by Jakarta Regional Metropolitan Police Department, there are approximately 19 million vehicles in Jakarta, 75% of which are motorcycles, and the number keeps growing. The government must find a solution to quickly prevent congestion becoming worse. This problem has become the main reason for developing a mass transit vehicle project, which started in the North Jakarta region, Jakarta LRT Project Phase 1. Jakarta LRT Project Phase 1 is a light metro system project that will connect the Depot Transit-oriented development area at Pegang Saan with the Jakarta International Velodrome area at Rawamangun. It has a total length of 6 kilometers. It is part of a strategic project that will be used to support the 18th Asian Games 2018, which will be held in Jakarta and also Palembang.
The track work construction of Jakarta LRT project is begun in December 2017. We, Wika Beton Embryo, are believed to complete the track work based on the baseline. In this project, we are responsible for engineering, procurement, and construction. We are highly confident to complete the project as the requirement by Jaipur as the project owner.
Doing the design for a track work project requires knowledge, experience, and high accuracy, so that the tracks will meet the high quality requested by the owner. It will be a challenge for Wika Beton Embryo to finish the project in such a limited timescale.
Normally a track work project like this would take a minimum of 3 to 4 years to finish. Since it's prepared to support the Asian Games, means that we have only had less than 2 years to finish the project. Emerald has experience in doing track projects in Malaysia, India and Thailand. Until now we managed to do the design according to our schedule. Right now we are striving to achieve the target. We've already spent around 13,000 hours to achieve the design stage. As we near the end of the construction of the main line, the closing of the design issues is critical due to the approach of the running of operational service for the Asian Games.
The next step is to procure the right material that could match the requirement with the highest quality. New problems are occurring since time is tight, and most of the materials are imported from abroad.
I think we have no much time. You know, there is no way to use sea freight right now. Time is the critical issue here. We have more than 15 types of material that must be imported from Europe. On the other hand, the custom process also takes a lot of time. What we can do is to push our vendors to maximize the production time of the materials and deliver them as soon as possible. Even on several cases, we also accelerate the delivery process by using air freight, so that the progress of the construction can keep running without any delay.
Now you know the cap, just like this.
As for precast components, it also requires special concern because a complete product cannot be ordered suddenly. It takes time to make the appropriate mold and the right mixture of the concrete. In order to do so, we need factory with huge capacity and a lot of experience on precast concrete product. This is the reason why we entrust precast components procurements to our principal company, PT Wijaya Karya Beton Tbk.
PT Wijaya Karya Beton Tbk, or commonly known as Wika Beton, is a subsidiary company from PT Wijaya Karya Persero Tbk and the largest precast concrete company in Indonesia. It has the important role of supplying all of the precast concrete material needed for the LRT Jakarta project, using 3 of their factories at Karawang, Bogor, and Majalengka. Wika Beton is able to provide their high-quality precast concrete materials for the project such as cylinder pile, box girder, U-girder, I-girder, PC sleeper, and PC bearers. With design already approved and material already to hand, Wika Beton MREL is ready to start the construction phase. More than 40,000 meters of rail, 1,500 tons of reinforced bar, and 20,000 metric tons of concrete need to be installed along the 6-kilometer route with all of the necessary accessories in less than 2 years. This LRT Jakarta project is one of the track works projects that must be completed as quickly as possible before the Asian Games, whilst implementing the best features of quality and safety. Around 400 workers have been involved in the track works construction. They have been divided into several teams according to their speciality and skill, so the job can be done more effectively and efficiently since it is a fast-track project. In order to achieve the completion target, they have been organized into 2-shift patterns, so the teams are able to do the work day and night, 24/7, non-stop.
There is no room for any mistake because if one work progress is delayed, it will also affect another work, which will cause a domino effect on the baseline of the project. We are required to be able to work together with civil and system contractors so we can support each other progress and complete this project in time together.
With LRT Jakarta being built, transportation in Jakarta has entered a new era, where people who used to rely on private vehicles will be encouraged to use public transportation as their primary transportation. We hope that public transportation projects like this will continue to be developed, so that in the future, the number of private vehicles that cause the congestion and air pollution in Jakarta will continue to decrease. DKI Jakarta's decades-long major issue can finally be overcome.